Hello everyone, this is Anna from Lexington Journals. I hope everybody's well today. I'm here to show you this new journal that I've named Burning Secret, and it's all related to her secrets and her desires and all the things that a medieval lady would have. In this journal, I have used the printables by AWhimsicalAdventure by Anya, and I will note down in the bottom of this video, in the end of this video, all the details where I got the printables and how one can use them. So this journal is, as I said, dedicated to courtly love, to poetry, to quotes, to anything one would like to use it for. First of all, let me show you the actual journal. This is just such a summer color, so I couldn't resist, and I'm using it again. And I've created this cover that has this light green and gold on it. So let me show you inside. So I've got the seam binding ribbon to keep everything nicely locked inside. And I will tell you which printables I have used in the end of this video, as I said, because it's a lot easier this way. I have some Indian paper here, some lovely handmade Indian paper, which some of you might recognize, and because I've used it before in these type of journals. I have here one of Anya's printables, and I have added a medieval image here, a painting, which went very well with the colors and everything. And this is like the beginning, and it shows this distance between the knight and the lady, and he's leaving and she's sitting here and thinking. And those were times where women didn't have very much power on decision on anything. So here I have a little like a little card, and I've attached different things on it from Anya's printouts, and another one here, and a leaf, and some decorating on the sides. These are some beautiful printouts here, which are printed onto this coffee dyed paper. There's a little envelope here with a seal, and I have a little bird there, and I'm keeping it onto the page with this, connecting it, and some tabs. Another envelope here, again closed with a, I'll show you this, a little note card in there. There it is. Yep. Here on the other side, I've got this. Lots of lovely papers, and they've got this rustic color that I love so much, and they go so well with the coffee dyed paper. So there I have created a pocket by backing this paper onto card so that it's quite strong. There's a knight on jousting. More tabs. And some tags here that I have created. One of them has a back as well. The knight, I'll actually use that side. And there's a tuck spot with a flower, beautiful rose, red rose. Lots of space for writing. This is attached onto the page, a bit of decoration, and some bunting here. Here I've got a couple of beautifully colored feathers. And again, some bunting. Here is it's like a little piece of cloth or a lace attached on a pin, and I've attached it onto the page. Yeah, so some lovely bunting again. Lovely papers, some coffee dyeing here, like heavy coffee dyeing. So I've kind of dispersed them into within the journal and changing them, you know, with the actual between the coffee dyed paper. Some antique lace here that I've added. This is a beautiful painting. I love this painting, and she has added all this lovely decoration onto the page, and it's just gorgeous. Another side pocket here, and I've got some leaf ribbon. There's another ribbon here, leaf, and another gorgeous image. And there's a castle, and this is a dragon, and a friendly dragon. Oh, it's a lovely image here. And there's like a door. One can write notes on it, notes on the paper. That's a pre-Raphaelite paintings incorporated into these beautiful printables. Oh, this is my favorite ones. And the end. So I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and this journal will be up on Etsy tomorrow evening at 8 p.m. UK time. Yeah, again, I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed this flip through, and we will be talking again hopefully very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.